Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hello. So you want to know more about how to buy a Goliath bird-eating spider? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to buy a Goliath bird-eating spider is www.firstchoicereptiles.com. See the page titled Goliath Bird-Eating Spiders for Sale, First Choice Reptiles. Here's the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page Giant Centipede and Goliath Bird-Eating Spider, YouTube. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see animal-world.com. The web page Goliath Bird-Eating Spider, Theraphosa blondi Goliath. This is the link.